Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today we will see 14 July current affairs. First topic is national news. First news is Vice President inaugurates Mannama Smriti Mandapam in New Delhi. See, Vice President C.P. Radhakrishnan unveiled the statue of social reformer Mannathu Padmanabhan, inaugurated at the Dwarka. Next, India to observe 3rd Namaste Day on July 14th. The Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment will celebrate the 3rd Namaste Day. This is the important to the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. Next, ONGC drills second geothermal well in Ladakh. Place is important to. Next, e-Cyrus boost rural entrepreneurship as Digital India completes total 11 years. Okay, it completes 11 years. Next, state news. Ahmedabad creates Guinness World Record with 3.61 lakh samplings. See, Ahmedabad Municipal Corporation planted 3.61 lakh samplings in 1 hour using Miyawaki method. Over 25,000 volunteers. Next, West Bengal renames August 16 as Ayushman Divas. See, West Bengal government has replaced Khel Hobby Divas with Ayushman Divas. Next, Andhra Pradesh launches Pillaya Sampada Initiative. See, Pillaya Sampada Initiative related to Andhra Pradesh to encourage balanced population growth and strengthen maternal, child and women's welfare. Next, international news. See, 14 countries reaffirmed the 2016 South China Sea Attribution ruling, rejecting China's expensive maritime claims and supporting a rule-based international border. How many countries? 14 countries. Next, schemes. First, UP launched Khel Suraksha Yojana. See, Khel Suraksha Yojana related to Uttar Pradesh. Next, EPFO introduced amenity scheme 2026. See, the question is, which organization launched amenity scheme 2026? That is, EPFO has launched a 6-month amenity scheme. Next, important days. See, India to celebrate 3rd Namaste Day on July 14. The country will mark the 3rd anniversary. Remember, 3rd anniversary of Namaste Day. Okay friends, these are the important one-liner MCQs. If you like the video, do subscribe to our channel, share with your friends. Thank you.